Hello and welcome everybody. Let's start with step by step. If you are new to this video, let's start. Watch the video until the end. We can go for the intersection here. This intersection was a thing that it was great for the Tesla stock to happen, since that happened for the decrease and increase and then decrease. Okay, we have also another trend line. This trend line helped the Tesla stock to know whether this previous wave has a support, and its support has made an increase, but before it was a decrease, then an increase in momentum here. So that means there is going to be a chance for it to make an increase, and then this movement will be active, and it makes a separation for the previous wave and to make a new wave. This is going to be the new wave that we are going to indicate for the Tesla stock movements, and its technical analysis has been done. And good luck on another episode on this stock.